So guys, let me show you, pushing down. And just gonna do stuff. Okay? So, yeah. I walk to the party with a girl because I'm rich and I have hey, okay. Going to eat some paper because I'm hungry. You see this? See this? Rat. Oh. I still have a little bit inside. I swallowed some paper. I swallowed some paper. It's in my tummy now. Why would he do? That's so stupid. Why would anyone keep doing it? Yucky. This is so yuck. Okay guys, in the video here. We're now do the next video. Think about what I can do. And don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.